For the failure to hold a presidential rally in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, created by the actions and utterances the governor of Rivers State, resulted in the decision of our leaders to shelve the presidential campaign rally in Port Harcourt to avoid the loss of life, like our presidential candidate declared. His forthcoming victory does not deserve the blood of any Rivers man. It was a painful decision for us, especially the people of Rivers State, all of whom had been eagerly waiting for months to come face to face with the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It is our prayer that after your election and swearing in as the president of Nigeria, Rivers State will be your first presidential visit. We want to assure you, Mr. President in waiting, that the people of Rivers State support you and will overwhelmingly cast their vote for you because you have been a benefactor to so many people in Rivers State. Only Port is what it has become for our people because of your foresight. Numerous other investments all over Rivers State and the South are evidence of your love for our people even before you entered politics. Our dear President, when our government comes into being on the 29th of May 2023, it is our prayer that you prioritize the following as it concerns us as Rivers people. 1. Construction of the outer Port Harcourt Ring Road. 2. Completion of the Port Rail line to join the Port Harcourt-Maiduguri line, which you started when you were Vice President. To improve the functionality of the Onei and Port Harcourt ports and the actualization of the Bonny Deep Water Port, which is all in line with your 5-point agenda. Dredging of our inland waterways, establishment of a dedicated petrochemical industrial park, because we have a very large petrochemical industry there. Modernization and upgrade of the Oyorokoto fishing port, which is today the largest fishing port in West Africa. Our President in waiting, be rest assured that as one of us, despite the antics of those who are still suffering from post-election loss traumatic syndrome, the ordinary people of Rivers State will continue to have your back as you have always had our backs. May God bless your excellencies. May God bless the People's Democratic Party. May God bless Rivers State. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
It's sinking time. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and his vice, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, our national chairman, Senator Iyorchia Ayu. On behalf of Rivers women, all Rivers women are gathered here in our numbers, in our thousands. We want to assure you that you will win massively in Rivers State. The youth are going to vote massively for you. You have been inscribed in our hearts. Outside the state government, you are the highest employer of labor. We are going to vote for you for being a father, an iconoclast, a man that has the poor at heart. We know that with you as our president, the 668 orphanages that have children that are out of school will go back to school. We know that with you as our president, women in Rivers State shall be financially empowered. We know with you as our president, negativity shall be a thing of the past. Thank you and God bless you.
It's so tight that we don't have time to interact with you. But nonetheless, we thank you for coming. Our waiting to be sworn in President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Abubakar Atiku, our Vice President in waiting, and our dear National Chairman. Let me stand on the existing protocols. This election is not about Atiku Abubakar and Senator Ifeanyi Okowa. This election is about all of us. It's about Nigeria, and in particular, it's about Rivers State. Your Excellency, we have chosen, Rivers people have chosen to stand with you and vote with you, vote for you. Atiku and Abubakar, that will strengthen democracy, which will guarantee freedom and liberty over tyranny. We don't want to join issues. As we stand here today, our focus is for us to mop up the entire Rivers State to vote for our president in waiting and our vice president in waiting. And so we don't have time for distraction. We will remain focused. And I can assure you, we have that commitment that we have taken upon ourselves. Courage over fear. And no turning back. We will win. Do you agree with me? We will win. We will win. We will win. Thank you and God bless you.
Wisabari Bani Samuel. He is the President General and Chairman, National Youth Council of Nigeria, Rivers State.
Thank you.
Upon the greatest Rivers State youth, standing on the well-established protocol, incoming president, we want to, Rivers youth says thank you for valuing their lives over your ambition. It is possible. Rivers people are fearless people. If you say you are ready, they are one step ahead of you. But you felt that a drop of blood would not be deserving your victory. We are grateful, sir, for that kind service. It has also shown that you are truly a unifier. by standing on this point of yours, saying that you're not going to deploy your armies to go and fight back because the youth will be the casualties. With us here is a young man that was attacked unprovoked. He did not provoke any attack. As you can see, bullets wound all over him. This is not the kind of leadership we want in Nigeria. And this election is more keen to Rivers people than any part of the nation. Because if we must get it rightly, we must get it rightly from our various wards, from our various units. Sir, rounding up, I want to say that Rivers youth have signed Order 23. And Order 23 is that the rally we are supposed to have in Port Harcourt for people to gather, we are taking the rally down to the pools, down to our wards, our 319 wards and over 4,000 electoral units. That is where we are going to show our own rally. Permit me, sir, to, on behalf of Rivers Youth Community, present a certificate of credence and endorsement presented to His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar as our sole candidate for the 2023 presidential elections. Signed, Protractor Comrade Winsa Baribani, President General, Rivers Youth Community. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ladies, thank you.
I had wanted to speak off the cuff, but the Rivers leadership decided to present to me a written address. So I will not go out of that protocol. So my dear people of Rivers State, represented physically here today by a cross-section of leaders, opinion leaders, and citizens from various walks of life, I welcome you. I want to start by acknowledging the circumstances and turn of events that have led us to this unique style of a campaign rally. Although we did not wish for this, it became expedient that we think and act innovatively to protect the lives of our people from the mindless violence and bloodshed instigated by the very persons who have the primary responsibility for their security and well-being. Our campaign, and indeed the PDP, subscribe fully to the position that no political ambition is worth the blood of any Nigerian or our party member. Clearly, events on the ground in Rivers State and this gathering here at the instance of our Rivers PDP family confirms the historic relationship between me and the Rivers people. Beyond being a good corporate citizen of Rivers State, I have deeply connected with several families in Rivers State over the years, a relationship that has endured for decades, long before politics. That is why I remain confident of the support of Rivers people for PDP and our presidency. Rivers State and Rivers people are bound by destiny to be critical stakeholders and beneficiaries of the Atiku Okowa presidency in multiple ways. Let me therefore reassure Rivers people that the state will regain its preeminent position in the governance and politics of Nigeria. Amongst other dividends, the transportation infrastructure in Rivers State will receive priority attention. The existing seaports will be expanded to increase economic activities that will have multiplier effect on the economy of Rivers State for the prosperity of our people and indeed the whole country. The uncompleted rail line from Oneport to join Port Harcourt, Maiduguri rail line, which has been on the drawing board for decades, will be completed speedily, while the deep sea port in Boni will receive immediate attention. Let me also say that the completion of the East-West Road will be a cardinal priority commitment for our presidency. The international airport in Port Harcourt will receive increased attention and investment to become a truly regional hub. The youth of Rivers State, like other states in the Niger Delta, will benefit from our dedicated economic empowerment scheme as a means of dealing with the persistent youth restlessness and discontent which has sometimes created security challenges. Amongst other initiatives, the Presidential Amnesty Program, which I was part of, will be revamped and restructured to become an enduring platform for unleashing the boundless creative energies and potentials of our youth in Rivers State. Our recovery agenda for Nigeria has a front row seat for Rivers women who are brilliant, talented, and hardworking. The women of Rivers State will benefit from our special entrepreneurial funding targeted at women, in addition to being considered for appointment to various offices. As a corporate citizen of Rivers State for many decades, I know that Rivers people appreciate that an Atiku presidency is inherently in their best interest, which is why you have made it your own project at great human and material sacrifices. I assure you that your sacrifice and support will be fully rewarded with good governance that will allow your aspirations to be realized. I therefore urge you to keep the faith, even in the face of harassment and needless violent intimidation. Turn out massively on Saturday, the 25th of February 2023, and cast your votes, as usual, for PDP. I assure you that your sacrifice and support will be fully rewarded. I wish you a safe journey back home. Keep safe. May God continue to bless the People's Democratic Party. May God bless Rivers State. And may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And thank you very much.